In today's video, I am going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Start by opening Microsoft Teams in your web browser and making sure you are on the main Teams home area. This is where you can access your calendar and event tools. Once you are signed in and ready, look along the left side navigation and click on Events. This section is where Teams lets you create and manage scheduled meetings and other event types in one place. Inside Events, find and click Create Event. This opens the Event Setup screen where you will enter the key details for your meeting. Take your time on this page because these settings determine what your invitees will see and when the meeting will happen. Now click into the highlighted fields on the form and fill them out. First, select the event type and make sure you are creating a standard meeting event. Then click into the title area and type a clear meeting name so people immediately understand the purpose. Next, move to the date and time fields. Choose the correct start time and end time, and double-check your time zone if it is shown, especially if you work with people in other regions. Continue through the remaining highlighted options to complete the event details. Add any additional information that appears in the description area so attendees have context, such as what will be covered or what they should prepare. If there is a place to add attendees or invite people, enter the participants you want included, and review the details one more time for accuracy. Clear titles and correct times help prevent missed meetings and confusion. When everything looks good, click Send. This schedules the meeting and shares the invitation based on the options you selected. After sending, click Copy to copy the meeting link. This is useful if you also need to paste the link into a separate message, a document, or another calendar invite. Finally, click Close to exit the confirmation window and return to Teams. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.